Good morning. Today we will talk about some common mistake which we people used to do during a phone screening interview. Okay, there are three sentences: phone screening interview. Let's talk about one by one. Phone interview. Phone interview means this will be the first step towards scheduling the interview. This is not an actual interview. Let's suppose you got a call. I'm calling from this organization. We have received your profile, or we have shortlisted your profile from this job portal. We have this vacancy, are you interested? So this is not an actual interview, it's just a screening. And there are some mistake which we people used to do in this process. So let me tell you my experience first. Okay, so it was 2011, 2012, I guess. Yeah, it was 2012, September, 2012, August. And I got a call from Infosys. I was in Delhi Metro. I was in Metro. I got the call. I was not able to listen because there was too much disturbance because of metro, and suddenly it went in basement. Metro went in basement, and I called, got disconnected. Then I lost the opportunity, but I didn't give up. I called the same number. I said I got a call from this number regarding Infosys interview. Sorry, call got disconnected because of I was in metro. How can we proceed? And I was able to schedule the interview for myself with my effort, and I got selected. Luckily, I got selected. So let me tell you, during the phone interview, never ever receive the call if you are in a distractive environment, if you are in distraction. But if you are receiving the call and unfortunately, like me, the call got disconnected, don't give up. Don't give up. See, I was able to listen the word Infosys, and I was searching the job at that time. My antenna open, and I connected that recruiter, given the interview, got selected. So you can also do, whenever you get the call for the interview, focus that you should not receive the call during a distraction environment. And if you are receiving the call and unfortunately the call got disconnected, get back to the same number. There will be some time you will not be able to connect on the same number because sometime it is coming only from incoming numbers. Don't worry, approach again with any other medium, right? I got the call. I don't remember the recruiter name at that time, but I was able to connect. So you can also do that. Number one, don't receive the call in distraction environment. Number two is most important. I know there are 99% people are not doing this, and if you do, you are one step ahead with those 90%, 99% people. Whenever you apply the job, start creating a tracker. Let's suppose you have applied the job in Infosys today. So today date, job description, company name, follow up date. In an Excel sheet, I used to give an interview tracker to my people in my program. You can also create one simple Excel sheet: date, organization name, recruiter name, and follow up date, job description. So let's suppose you got the call from this Infosys company which you have applied today after 2, 3, 6, 5 months. And there is a tendency in human being, we people used to forget. We people used to forget when we have applied or when we have approached. So if you are creating the tracker, straight away open that Excel sheet, keep it handy with you, open that sheet, open the tracker and check when you have applied, what was the job description, and then you can talk to the recruiter comfortably. So number two is most important. I would request you humbly to start creating job tracker, interview tracker from today itself. Number three, be ready or be open to discuss about salary, but don't negotiate over the first call, over the screening call. Never ever negotiate the salary during your screening round of first call. Okay, do not forget do not forget to show the enthusiasm. See, if you're talking on the phone, you will not be able to show the enthusiasm over the phone. Your voice, your tone, the way you present, it matters a lot. Your voice should project the enthusiasm in yourself. Your voice should present that you are hungry to get the job. Correct? Next one, never ever forget to ask what will be the next step. Let's suppose I got the call from Infosys, call got disconnected in metro, and I called the same number and said, yes Amar, I called you for Infosys interview, I got the resume from this reference, and are you looking for the job change? I said yes, I am. And at that time, okay, so I'll be scheduling the interview and you will be getting the call back. Then you know what was the question? Okay, so when can I expect this call back and what will be the next process? I repeat, when can I expect the call back and what will be the process? What is the recruitment process? Never ever forget to ask this question. So these were the 5 tips to focus on first round of telephonic screening interview. I remember, telephonic screening is not actual interview round. It's just a screening round. I was in metro, I call got disconnected. It was not an interview, right? I called back and I said I got a call from this number, and they said yes, it was from Infosys interview. It was not an interview, right? They said okay, I'll be scheduling the call back for interview. It means it was just a screening. So remember, the first call will be a screening. So focus on these 5 tips. I'll repeat once again. Number 1, don't receive the call in distractive environment. Number 2, you have to create the job tracker, Excel sheet, the one which I told. Discuss about salary, but don't negotiate. Number 4, don't forget to show the enthusiasm. Number 5, don't forget to ask the next step. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.